Hey there, my fellow middle-aged Americans, or feeling like middle-aged. Let's talk about that dreaded brain fog we sometimes experience, shall we? It's like having a foggy windshield on the highway of life. Fear not, my friends, because I have got some insights into what might be causing that fog and how we can clear it up. Hi, I'm Dr. Ergin. I'm an endocrinologist, a hormone specialist, and today we are talking about brain fog. You see, our hormonal shifts during middle age can be quite the culprit. Ladies, for example, you might be familiar with perimenopause, that lovely transitional phase leading up to the menopause, right? During this time, our estrogen and progesterone, well, not your estrogen and progesterone, levels can go on a wild roller coaster ride, and boy, does it affect your cognitive function? Yes, it does. It's like trying to think clearly while riding a roller coaster blindfolded. Now, for you gentlemen out there, don't think you are off the hook. We have got our own special menopause, equivalent called andropause. Happens a little later sometimes, but still happens. Those testosterone levels start playing hide and seek, leading to brain fog, decreased mental clarity, and memory troubles. It's like trying to solve a crossword puzzle with half the clues missing. Fear not, my friends, there is hope. Now, let's talk about HRT, hormone replacement therapy. Could be a game changer for many of you. As a healthcare professional, we can guide you through your journey, or your doctor, or your endocrinologist. Anybody can help you to balance those hormone levels and give you a mental clarity boost. It's like putting on a pair of glasses and suddenly having a 20/20 vision. Cool, huh? Now, before you start dancing around in excitement, it is important to note that the hormone replacement therapy is not one size fits all solution. It is like a universal remote that will work with every TV on the planet. It's not. Some of us might not be suitable candidates for HRT due to certain individual health factors, like high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease. It's like expecting every car to take the same type of fuel. It's just not going to happen, right? That's why it is crucial to see an endocrinologist who specializes in hormone health. Now, don't see those guys who are self-claimed hormone specialists because they're self-claimed. They don't have an endocrinology degree. So they just think that they are the expert without going to school. Interesting, right? Just being an MD doesn't always make you a specialist. Now, that's what I'm talking about. There's the wellness centers. They're popping up everywhere. It can be dangerous sometimes. They may mean well, but they will really lack a lot of nuances, and they're not fellowship trained, so they can really create a haywalk in your system. Now, just as you wouldn't let a plumber fix your car, make sure you are seeking that right type of professional for your hormones. It will be like upgrading from a novice sailor to a seasoned captain when you are navigating the seas of middle age. Oh, and let's not forget about our thyroid buddies, right? The thyroid hormone imbalances like hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism can also cause brain fog, especially the hypo. It is like having a sleepy brain or a brain on overdrive. Managing these conditions, whether it is through medication or lifestyle changes or both, can have you shouting, "Fog, be gone," right? Now, the hormones are pretty tricky. They're little things, but they're very tricky. They do have some positive effects on our brain, and lack of that will cause problems. For example, estrogen. It is like a superhero for our brain health, protecting and promoting cognition for both men and women. So men have estrogen levels too. Now, when those levels fluctuate, it is no wonder we are left feeling a bit foggy. Now, let's welcome a few more fog boosters to the stage. Let's talk about insulin resistance. Now, these extra pounds that we pack as we get older, lack of quality sleep, insufficient exercise, all of that add up. Each of these stars can turn your brain into a foggy cityscape faster than you can say, "Where did I put my keys?" Insulin resistance is like that pesky traffic cop who won't let glucose into your brain cells. And when the brain cells are starving for fuel, the foggy fusion sets in. It's like trying to drive on an empty tank of gas. Carrying extra weight is like going through a dense forest with a heavy backpack. The added weight puts extra strain on our body, including like your brain, making it harder to think clearly. It's like trying to solve a puzzle while balancing a watermelon on your head. Not getting quality sleep is like trying to clean a room with all the lights off. Can't do that. Our brain uses sleep to clear away the day's clutter and reset for tomorrow. But without enough sleep, your brain cannot do its nightly cleaning ritual, leading to that all too familiar foggy feeling. It's like waking up to find a cleaning crew at a wild party instead of tidying up. Lastly, but by no means the least, lack of daily exercise is like a stagnant pond. Exercise gets the blood flowing, which helps to clear the fog, but without it, things can get a little murky. It's like having wipers, but not using them in a rainstorm. So if you are wrestling with brain fog, remember that it might not just be those cheeky hormones that you are blaming all the time. Your lifestyle factors are also key players in this foggy game. It is like being a detective novel where every character is a suspect. So keep your detective hat on and stay tuned for more insights on this foggy issue. And remember, my friends, if brain fog persists or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, it is always good to check some supplements that can help. Visit SugarMDs.com. We have a lot of good nerve and memory function supplements. They can help you through. And if things are out of control, of course, you have to see an endocrinologist or some other specialist like a neurologist to help clear things up. So let's rise above that fog and my middle-aged comrades and reclaim our mental clarity. Remember, we can navigate this foggy journey of middle age like champions we are. Talk to you later. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.